little bit on shoulder width. The right foot extends 1.5 inches to 2 inches beyond the left. Shot tight to neck. It is my friend. Free hand up. Now you see, coach, free hand up. What is the free hand up stuff? We're not throwing with the darn free hand. Well, the free hand plays a very important role in how, what happens in the shot put, okay, and how far it throws. So I want everybody to start thinking about what the free hand should be doing, how it should be acting. So we always want our free hand to be up, okay? Foot, free hand up, the shot's my friend. Now at this point, we're gonna rotate our hips back, head and shoulders at 12. We're gonna hunch over. We're gonna be a nice little flex in the right leg. I didn't explain that earlier. So flex that right leg, left leg's basically straight, okay? Everybody's in that position. Do you feel, I want everybody to try to feel how there's a pull in their rear end or their hips. Did everybody feel that? Yeah. Very good. Relax yourself. Yeah, we're doing great so far. Now, 2 points that I didn't think about that I should point out. When you torque back, Ms. Sipes, what we really want, we want to feel the torque in our midsection. Okay, you say, Coach, where should our head position be? Excellent question. Excellent question. Thank you. The head. Okay, for years I'd say I want the head down. But the problem is some athletes, when I say that to them, they do this. I don't want that. One of the kids I coached years ago said, Coach, I think it's more like your head's in line with your spine. Let's try that. So watch how my head looks now. It's basically down, but it's not like this. I don't have the turtle look. It's in line with the spine. So I want everybody now to get in their power position and really feel that their head is. Everybody on this side, actually, relax. That was very good. Funny guys, gotta be a little break, okay? Now, so I feel I can move a lot of weight like this. Okay, let's everybody go down, feel both legs on the ground, rear end side, man, you can move a lot like that. Okay, now, let's do this. Let's go to the ball of the left foot, solid right foot, let's go down. I can move some weight like that, but not nearly as much. By just touching and what I call going, that's what you're trying to do during a throw. You could do it, but it's not gonna be nearly as effective. Not nearly as effective. So, again, the essence of throwing is this. The left foot planting solid at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is where we started the left foot in the power position. When we glide across the circle, when we land the left foot, Lord willing, it's going to be at 9 o'clock. Okay, now, so we do the essence of throwing is plant. Watch the right. This is push turn. Okay, now. Okay, Brian, how would you describe how would you describe the action of the right foot? How do you see it in your mind's eye?
Turn it out your toe.
Okay, so that's one real good way to feel. Okay, Brendan, how would you describe the right foot?
Pushing into your left leg.
Okay, show the circle and demonstrate, please. Nice man is very important for me today. Please, thank you. Let's get the pot or what's the middle thing, right? Huh? Okay, I'm sorry. Explain what you want.
So when I bring my left leg up and plant it, I'm just going to plant it and push my weight without moving my shot put into my left, so that I get to this nice 45-degree angle position.
They call this the inverted C. I always hate the cliches, but it's so true. They call it the inverted C.
And then when I push turn in full speed.
You see, again, what I saw, and hopefully you all saw, it's like a rubber band effect. And that's where we're looking. So many people think, okay, I'll pick my shot and throw it with my arm. Really, you could do that, and a lot of big, strong people get away with that, be it female or male. But the bottom line is, a smaller, less talented athlete, a less gifted person can go a lot further than a big, old, strong person if you know what you're doing. Okay? So, and this goes for coaches as well as athletes. There's so many different ways to see how the throw's done. Brian explained it one way, Brendan explained it the other way, I explained it. But it's all sort of the same. What's important as a coach or an athlete is trying to figure out how does the athlete see it? Okay? How does the athlete see it? Again, glide shot putting. I'm sure a lot of you have watched some video, some of you will probably watch a ton of video. You're always going to see this, and you're going to see this. So now the key is, how do you see that in your mind? Okay, so let's go back to what we were doing. So the essence of throwing is basically plant, if you're a right-hand thrower, planting the left foot solid, pushing down and turning the right side. Okay, so what we're looking for is really a lot in your legs, your hips. Okay, now, what we're going to do in a moment or two, we're going to split clock. My head and shoulders are back. I've rotated my hips. Our rear end is gone from basically 3 to 6. Now, what I'm going to say now, leg up, plant, push, turn. Okay, leg up, plant, push, turn. If you're going to plant your foot anyway, the logical question, Eric, about is why pick the darn thing up in the first place? Because you're going to plant it. Good, very good question, Eric. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, the rationale behind that is when we glide, Miss Rose, I'd like to introduce you. This is Mrs. Megan Rose. 2 years ago, 2-time foot, free hand up. You say, Coach, of course, why are you doing this waving? You like Laura? I like Laura, but I'm a waver too. But part of this, okay, some of you throwers early when you're thinking warm throws, I'm saying squeeze the heck out of the shot. Okay, I really mean squeeze the heck out of the shot. Shot tight's my friend. Okay, now Colin. So we want that tightness. Okay, but in the same regard, by waving at Laura or whoever you're waving at, okay, we're making sure we're loose. I want the shot very tight in my hands. I want the shot very tight in my neck. But I want to keep my body loose. I know that's sort of two opposing things, so that's the kind of thing you develop over the course of time. Okay, so back to the position. Right foot, left foot. Wave with Laura one more time. Elbow up. Rotate the hips, and the shoulders go to 12. My feet stay in place. I'm more comfortable going with the ball of my left foot. It's going to be leg up, plant. Now we get more confident. Now we get more confident. So okay, let's all do this together. Okay, let's get in our power positions. Right foot, left.